Hello everyone, how to unmerge cells in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and you can see here the two sentence. So when I click on this sentence, you can see the full sentence is selected showing, okay, in one cell. So all cells is merged in one cell, okay. With this, in formula bar also showing the full sentence when I click on here, okay. On second sentence, when I click on it, only first cell is selected with in formula bar also showing the same sentence. Okay, full sentence. But when I select the second cell, you can see in formula bar sentence is not showing. Third is not showing. Okay, this is an unmerge. It's not merge with all cells. Okay, so to unmerge this sentence, select the sentence, go to the home tab. In alignment group, just click on this merge and center option. Just click on this drop down arrow and click on the unmerged cells. Okay, so see the cell sentence is showing only first cell. Okay, when you drag this, you can see in second cell sentence is not showing. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.